Hello everyone, my name is Kahari, and this is my dad. Today we're doing an interview about air pollution. Okay Dad, we'll start up with the first question. What is the cause of air pollution?
Air pollution is caused by the emissions from cars and factories that don't eliminate their waste properly.
Okay Dad, good. Question 2. How is it harmful to plants and humans?
Well, it's harmful to humans because let's start with plants. If plants have smog and they're not getting the amount of sun that they need, they won't be able to reproduce and give us the oxygen that we need to breathe. Now, the pollutants in the air can also affect our respiratory system, and from being airborne, and it can cause us to have heart failure or congestion or a lot of coughing.
Go on, Dad. Third question. Why is Mexico pollution so bad?
Well, Mexico doesn't have the strict regulations that we have in the United States that deal with car emissions. They actually have some highways where there's 2 levels of the highway, so that's more pollution to the air, and the way that they dispose of materials in their factory and their different emissions, so to say, doesn't have the strict regulations that we do. So that's why they're so bad.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah.
Fourth question. What are they doing about it?
Right now, I was looking up on YouTube yesterday and today that Mexico, they're getting stronger regulations so that the way that they dispose of hazardous material doesn't affect the air and its citizens and the plants. And the way that the cars' emissions are being tested, they're raising the standard so that the cars won't have an adverse effect on human population.
Go on, Dad. Fifth question. What can we do to help?
Plants. First, the companies and the car manufacturers and the big companies that dispose of hazardous materials have to go through a process so they can be fully regulated about the pollutants that they send in the air. As you know, son, I worked at Chrysler, and they had strict regulations, and a couple of times working in the building, if the hazardous waste or anything affected our breathing, they would shut the entire plant down until they got that under control. So Mexico is doing that, and they're going and getting their regulations better with the car emissions, so it doesn't put out things that are harmful to the environment.
Alright, Dad. Alright, that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next episode. Shout out to my whole entire classroom, and shout out to my teacher, Miss Davis. See you guys later. Bye.
Chicago.